According to recent studies, garlic may really have some health advantages, including the capacity to prevent the common cold and decrease blood pressure and cholesterol. Here are 4 health benefits of garlic that have been verified by human research. 1. Garlic repel bugs, including mosquitoes. A potent and poisonous natural insect repellent may be made from garlic. Garlic is an excellent tool for keeping pests away from plants because of its inherent repellent properties. It's easy to prepare and give garlic water. It may be used on both floral plants and vegetables. Putting garlic beneath your pillow will protect you from spider and mosquito bites. Eating garlic doesn't seem to be as effective as other insect repellents since mosquitoes tend to be drawn to carbon dioxide when we exhale it. 2. Garlic cures insomnia. Do you get feelings of anxiety or have a hard time falling asleep? Garlic beneath the pillow will undoubtedly improve your quality of sleep. This treatment has been used for centuries. Garlic's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities prevent infection and maintain the health of bodily fluids and organs. Additionally, it promotes the heart's and brain's healthy operations, which control the sleep cycle. If you consume garlic, your consumption of magnesium and potassium will be high. It creates a substance called GABA, which helps calm your muscles. GABA freezes down your brain cells so they can start the nighttime process of restorative work, which is the body's signal to calm down. 3. Garlic is an antibacterial. Since ancient times, fresh, raw garlic has demonstrated its ability to destroy germs and viruses. It is an antibacterial substance that can truly stop the spread of infectious diseases while also defending the body against infections. We can once again thank allicin, because it has the ability to inhibit 2 classes of enzymes necessary for the survival of pathogenic microorganisms in a host body. Both internal and external infections can be avoided by using garlic. Thus, putting garlic under your pillow before bed will prevent you from becoming sick. 4. Garlic makes you breathe better. Garlic has certain chemicals that can cause poor breath and even body odor. One of these is allicin. When garlic is crushed, allicin, an antibiotic that combats bacterial and fungal illnesses, is produced. If you have a cold, garlic can also help clear blocked nasal passages, improving nocturnal breathing and lowering snoring, which promotes comfortable sleep. You can also smash 3 to 4 garlic cloves into boiling water and breathe in the steam. Breathing will be easier than previously. Thanks for watching.